This process starts deep in the forest, where massive trees are selected and cut with precision. Each log can weigh several tons, and the cutting itself requires powerful machinery and highly skilled operators. Once the tree is down, the real work begins. Heavy equipment moves the logs, sorts them by size and quality, and prepares them for transportation to the sawmill. But what most people don't realize is how optimized this process has become. Modern sawmills are designed for speed, efficiency, and almost zero waste. At advanced facilities, a single log can be processed into usable timber in just seconds. Some of the fastest saw lines in the world operate at speeds of up to 250 meters per minute and can handle around 40 logs every minute. That means hundreds of trees can be transformed into lumber in just 1 hour. As the logs enter the sawmill, they are scanned and measured automatically. Computers calculate the best way to cut each piece to maximize yield and reduce waste. The logs are then sliced into boards using high-speed blades, creating everything from construction beams to fine wood panels. Even the leftover material is not wasted. Wood chips are used in paper production, sawdust is turned into pellets or energy, and bark can be used as fuel or landscaping material. In modern wood processing, nearly every part of the tree has a purpose. Globally, the sawmill industry is massive and continues to grow. It is driven by demand from construction, furniture production, and infrastructure projects. North America remains one of the largest producers, with countries like the United States and Canada leading the industry, while Europe and Asia are rapidly expanding their capacity. But speed is only part of the story. Safety is critical, as workers operate around extremely powerful machines capable of cutting through solid wood in seconds. At the same time, sustainability is becoming a key focus. Modern sawmills are designed to reduce waste, improve energy efficiency, and use certified wood sources. By the end of the process, what started as a raw tree becomes clean, standardized lumber ready for construction. From forests to finished boards, this entire transformation happens faster and more efficiently than ever before. And behind it all, a combination of engineering, automation, and human expertise working together at an industrial scale.
You have to change it 4 times a day, so they're alternating them here. Yeah, or an 8-hour. Fireboxes, boilers, no more. Okay, great.